Hi, today I have another air purifier that I'm going to review. This air purifier is by the company Amrobt. It's kind of hard to pronounce that, but this is the company brand name. Like I said, it's called Amrobt. Robt. I mean, your pronunciation is better than mine. Anyway, so I'm gonna open this box and I'm gonna test this, see what this air purifier is about. Now, this air purifier I got from the one I have before. This one supposed to be a smart air purifier. I'm gonna tell you about some of the features that it has that the other one didn't have, that I have before, and we're gonna test it out and see what this air purifier is all about. So I'm gonna open the box and see what it looks like. Okay. Okay, so this is the air purifier. Let's get it out the plastic. Okay, so here we have the filter compartment. So the way to open this up, there's a little button right here where you squeeze and you pull, and that shows you where the filter is. So this is the filter. You should just pull it out. Since it's in the plastic, I don't have the grip thing to to pull it out. Okay, so right now I have the air purifier plugged in. We're gonna turn it on and see what these buttons are, see what it does, and I'm gonna tell you a little bit about what most of it are. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Okay, so as you can see, when it's turned on, you get these different lights. Now my guess is that these lights tells you the quality of the air, depends on the quality of the air inside your apartment or house. You also have the on off button, the mode, timer, and light button. Now this air purifier also comes with a UV light technology, which a UV light kills bacteria. Okay, so there's a button that you press to turn that UV light on. Right now it's on, but we're gonna turn it off back. Okay, so let's go through the modes. Now right now it's running on medium fan. Okay, now it's on high, which it's louder. They also pump out a lot of air. Now the way this works, it sucks in air, bad air from the sides, and it blows it up upwards, the clean air upwards. Okay, then you have the auto. Now the auto feature is it runs automatically based on the quality of the air inside your home. And you have the sleep function, which the air purifier runs very quiet and the lights turns off. Okay, let's switch it back to medium. Now you have the timer. Now this air purifier could run from 3 different timer settings. You have 2 hour, 4 hour, and 8 hour. Okay, now you can turn the light on and off. It depends what you know. It depends on how. It depends on you, really. Okay. So this also has child lock proof feature, where you press and hold the light button for a couple of seconds to turn the child lock function on. Now all the display is locked; it cannot be pressed. You press and hold it to turn it off. Okay. Now it also comes with a handle for carrying it around. Also, it's a smart air purifier. It's Wi-Fi built in. Now it also comes with an app that tells you the air quality and give you more detail function in the app. Okay. Now to cycle on the Wi-Fi, you press and hold the timer button for a couple of seconds, and it's gonna turn on. So now it's in Wi-Fi mode. Now you can connect to the air purifier wirelessly and control it from the app itself. Okay. So we're gonna do a little in-depth look into the app and give you some more details about some of the function in the app. Okay. Okay, so here I have installed the app for the air purifier. Let's go into it right now. So right now it's asking if I wanted to set up Alexa, or you can also set up Google Assistant, but let's skip that for now. Okay, so here we have the air purifier. Right now it's telling me that my air quality is great. The filter, the remaining amount filtration. Also, if you look at the bottom right here, you have the on. You could turn it on and off from the app. You have mode, which the mode gives you different to control the fan speed. Let's say, for instance, if I put it on high, you can hear it running high. Sleep, it goes into sleep mode, which it makes it quiet. And let's put it back into medium. Okay. And then you have countdown, which gives you the how many hours you want it to run for, like 2 hour, 4 hour, 8 hour, before it shut off by itself. Okay. And then you have the the setting where you could turn on the child lock feature from the app itself. You can also turn on the UV disinfection function in the app from the phone, and you can also change the brightness of the light. Okay, from soft to standard, or to turn it off. All right. So here, like I said, you have, it gives you all the information about the air purifier. It also gives you the temperature, which I'm still trying to figure out how to change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit. And if you look in the corner, you see it has an outdoor PM 2.5 and indoor PM 2.56. Okay, I'm not sure what they mean by that, but you know, I have to look into that to see what they mean by that. So this is the indoor air quality. It's at 7. It's running at 7. Not sure what that is, but yeah. So I guess it depends on the higher the number, the bad the air quality is, and the lesser the number, the good it is. All right. So yeah, that's pretty much it.